Group ID self-service allows an IT department to delegate group management within Active Directory to those who know them best, the end users who use the groups and own them. In today's demo, we're going to have the end user, Billy Robertson, create a new group to show the controls that IT can put in place around group creation. So when the end user clicks create new group, you can see that we've locked down three things. Container, so it has to go in a specific container. Distribution group, the type and the scope of universal. So we're going to have Billy Robertson go ahead and create a new group called Project X. He's going to mail enable it. It's going to be a distribution group, so obviously. And create, instead of the closed membership, a semi-private group where the owner must approve any requests to join. This is a required field for description because that's a best practice. So, new project, creating next level toasters. That's what Project X is going to be focused on. So Billy Robertson, as the owner, can now add new users to the groups. He knows when he creates the group, he's only going to have one other member in his team on the project. That's Abby Watson. So he goes ahead and adds her to the group. She is now going to be a member of the group when it's created. Group ID allows multiple owners in any version of Exchange. So Billy Robertson's the primary owner, but we could create additional owners if we wanted to. But in this case, we're going to have Billy maintain ownership of the group exclusively. Here's the summary of the group he's trying to create, semi-private universal distribution group called Private X, Project X, and he's going to hit submit. What's going to happen now is an approval request, seen down here, is going to be sent to the administrator to approve the group. To keep group glut from happening, you want to make sure that if end users create groups, you're going to check it first. So Billy goes ahead and hits OK. You can see he does not have his Project X group yet, but we're going to go into Outlook and see that the administrator got a request for approval for Project X, all the information about it, and how he can approve or deny the request. I've actually already logged into another browser as the administrator, and he can go into his request inbox and see that there's a pending request that approval is required to create distribution groups. The new group is called Project X. The requester is Billy Robertson. It's pending. The administrator could go ahead and forward this to another approver, but he's going to go ahead and look at it to determine if he's going to deny it or approve it. Reasons for denial might be that the policy is that you need more than 5 members to be a distribution group, or that he knows that there is no project to create next level toasters. We require that he puts a reason to deny the request if he's going to deny it. But he's going to go ahead and approve it. Clicks the little approve icon. It shows the request has been approved. He hits OK. And now if we're going to go back into the browser Billy Robertson's logged in on, and you can see once we hit refresh, you will now see a fourth group that he owns called Project X. It has an expiration date of February 2012, and he is not allowed to change that, but he is able to change other things if he wanted to go ahead and change the security level, see the history of people who have been added into it, create delivery restrictions on it, or manage the membership. Billy doesn't need to do any of these things at this point because this is the group he wanted to create. The administrator kindly approved it for him, and now he's going to start using it to do his job.